How to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a clear example-based guide that we can use in order to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So this right here is my data. You can also open up your data sheet. Once you've done so, we can remove duplicates. There is a built-in tool right here in Google Sheets nowadays. So you can select the entire table like this with headers including, and once you have done so, go to the data tab and look out for the option called data cleanup, this one right here, and click on this option called remove duplicates and go ahead and click on this option called remove duplicates. And when you do, you will be finding the duplicates being removed. That is it. This is the result that we'll be getting. You can see exact duplicate rows are removed. Now, if you want to remove only duplicate from one column only, what we need to do is we need to select the column A only. Once it is done, we can go to the data tab and look out for data cleanup option once again. Again, click on remove duplicates and go ahead and confirm it up. And when you do, you should be able to see the duplicates being removed from our screen right here. And this is the result. And this is it. There is a built-in tool available nowadays in Spreadsheet that easily does it for us. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.